Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. In today's video, we are working on our September Build a Journal Challenge, where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. We've done a lot so far. If you're following along and you're making a journal with me, I'm proud of you. I just want to tell you that because we've done a lot. It seems like it's not because we're taking it nice and easy and slow, but it's been a lot of stuff. I'm going to tell you that much. Our last video, we added paper clips and dangles and tabs to our journal. So now it's just a closure day. We're just figuring out our closures. There are so many different closures you can do, you guys, like so many different closures. I don't know what I'm going to do. So here's my journal, and I can either, I'm just gonna pull out this ribbon here. Oh no, you know what? Let's see, this ribbon here. I can either use a ribbon for a closure, okay? So that's just simply, this came off of a blanket package. Not gonna lie, look how nice this ribbon is, right? Look at how nice it is. I saved it. There's two of them. I have two of them. See? 2 blankets. They were on clearance at Walmart. And I'm like, I gotta save this ribbon. This is such a nice ribbon. So you can either just do this, okay? And then if you want, you could glue it on. I would use fabric glue, glue it on, or you don't even have to glue it on. If you don't glue it on, you could easily just slip it on and off when you're working. You don't have to worry about untying it. So you could do that, which I really like this ribbon and it matches great, so I might use that. Or you could, I have elastic here. If my drawer would close, I have elastic here. You could do the same thing with elastic. You could take the inside of your journal and punch holes at the top and the bottom and wind it through like a ribbon journal would. If you don't know what I mean, hold on, let me grab one. You know what's really nice about me being down in my basement crafting now is I could grab journals and show you examples. So this is an old journal, but you see how there's the ribbon, the elastic. But I mean, this goes underneath this end page. You can see it right there. You see that? But then you just pull the elastic over. So you could do something like that. You could, if you wanted, I should have grabbed this stuff. It's been a day. It's been a day. You can use like these gatefold closures. I got these on Temu for like 80 cents. We're talking about something like this. And then, you know, it slides through, locks in. So you could use something like this. You could punch a hole here and have ribbon going through there. You could punch a hole here and have a chain closure. Like, that's really cool look if you're doing like a Halloween journal. Having chains and then charms dangling off of it is a really cool look. What I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to go with the ribbon. No, you know why? I'm not going to go with the ribbon, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I don't want it to cover, decision made, I don't want it to cover my journal topper. Jeez Louise, it's been a long, when I tell you that it's been a super long day, it's not an exaggeration. This is my fifth video I'm filming, but it's also like my 11th because I kept screwing up the one video over and over and over again, and then I finally realized that my microphone wasn't working after I filmed 2 videos. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna use this elastic. I just wish it was like a cream colored, honestly, so I might not use it. I'm like on the struggle bus right now. I'm struggling, you guys. I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I want to do. So I'm kind of struggling. I really liked that cream ribbon, but it's just too, and this can go in here now that I have room. It's just too thick. It is very much too thick, I believe, for what I want. So do I have, I used to have orange ribbon. Do I have orange ribbon? I think orange or green ribbon would look really good there. I don't, that's not, this is not the green. Though it would match because there is that color in there. You see that? There's that color in the zucchini. So that would be okay. But I also have orange. I knew I had orange. There we go. I think I'm going to use the orange ribbon. And then it won't be so... it won't be as thick to block my journal topper. Because that's tomorrow, guys. We're making our journal toppers tomorrow. And I think all I'm going to do is just wrap it around. Like, I'm not getting fancy here. I'm just going to wrap it around and make sure I have enough because this is going to get chunky. So if you're doing ribbon, make sure you have enough because, like, for me, I know my journal is going to get super chunky. So I'm just going to cut off a length of this ribbon. Okay. Throw that back in there. And then, because I have that little bit of a problem, we're going to even it out. And then I'm just going to tie a knot. And I'm going to do it loose enough that for right now, I can slip it on and off. See, now I can just slip it on and off and not have to untie it if I don't want to. Okay? So, this is my closure. It's nothing fantastic. I could have done something a little bit more if I wanted to. Like I said, I was going to do the elastic, but it's white. It's such stark white. It's so white, and I just can't. That's just too white for me. It really was. It was too white. It's just, where is it again? I mean, look at how white that is compared to the cover. Yeah, I can't do it. But if you want to do that, you just take your back cover, okay? You would take your back cover and you would punch a hole right here and thread the elastic through, and then I would just knot it on the inside. I mean, you could try gluing it down. You could glue it down, staple it down if you don't want to knot it. But for ease, I would just probably knot it. I don't know why. Or glue it. I don't know. But here we go. This is it. This is my closure. It's nothing fantastic. I'm sorry about that, but it is what it is. Just how it's going to be today. So today your homework is to figure out your closure. Like I said, there's so many options for a closure. You could do elastic, you could do a chain, you could do this, I think they're called gates, right? Is that what they are? You can do just a ribbon. You can do so many different things. You don't even have to have a closure. I may not even keep this closure on, to be honest. But now is your time to put on a closure, especially one like this ribbon, if you're going to glue it onto your journal. So if I wanted, I could glue it onto my journal on the front and the back, and then I would put my journal topper on it. So that's why today is the day for the closure. So if you're going to use ribbon, and I don't even like this ribbon. I'm sorry. I like this ribbon. I like this ribbon. I want to use this one. See, look at that. I'm very indecisive today. It's been a day. I'm very indecisive, and I totally think I would just glue it on. So let's do it. Let's just do it, shall we? We're going to take this, and we're just going to get my fabric glue. Look at this. You thought the video was over. You thought, ugh, Mimi, you're using that ugly orange ribbon. And I'm thinking to myself, no, I'm not. I'm not using that ugly orange ribbon. So I'm just going to take some Fabri-Tac. And we're going to make sure these are even because I can't not have them be even. So there we go. And I'm just going to glue here. Okay. I'm just going to glue right here. And then take it. I'm not going to glue over top of the eyelets because we don't want glue to go inside of our journal. And then we're just going to pat that down. And I got glue all over myself. And then we're just going to do this. I really need to clean this glue off. Look how bad it is. It's bad. Look how bad that is. It's all goobered up. And glue it down. There we go. Much better. I like this much better. What was I thinking? And then let's make sure we glue this to the edge. Okay. All right, and take off all those glue boogers. Glue boogers! Now my fingers are all gluey, but hey, it happens. All right. Problem solved. Just do what you want in the first place. That's what that just showed you. You do what you want. And then I'm just going to tie this. There we go. Super cute. All right then. that video took a turn, didn't it? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. Thanks so much for joining me today, you guys. Let me know down below what kind of closure you're doing. I'm very curious to know what kind of closure you're doing, so let me know. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for our second to last day of our Build a Journal Challenge. Are you guys excited? So tomorrow we're making journal toppers. All right, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.